Are you trying to log into Cash App on a new phone and worried about losing access to your account? Don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps to securely switch devices and avoid any login issues. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safely sign out of your old phone, clear your data, and get set up on your new one in just a few minutes. First, grab your old phone and open the Cash App. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and hit Sign Out. This step is important to prevent any account conflicts when you switch devices. Once you're signed out, go to your phone's settings, then apps or apps and notifications. Find Cash App, tap on storage, and clear both storage and cache. This makes sure no leftover account data stays behind on your old phone. Now it's time to log in on your new phone. Download and open Cash App, then enter the phone number or email you used with your account. You'll receive a verification code, type it in, and you'll be logged in instantly. If your bank card is already linked, you'll see it show up automatically. If not, you can choose to add it right now or skip and do it later. If you can't remember which email or phone number you used, don't panic. Go to the Cash App support site from a browser and contact their support team. They can help you recover your account, and if recovery isn't possible, you can create a new one. And that's it. You're all set. Logging into Cash App on a new phone doesn't have to be stressful if you follow these steps carefully. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials.